Hey guys, come with me as we visit one of the hidden gems in Negros Oriental. And just to inform you guys that this amazing place is located sa Amlan, Negros Oriental. So dali ra jud siya tultulon. And ang naka-amazing ani niya is wala siya'y bayad. No entrance fee, no corkage, and no cottage. All you need to do is to go there, locate the place, and make sure na imong hinluan ang lugar kung magluto mo. Indeed, nindot na jud ang lugar o very peaceful. We will definitely visit this place over and over again. And if you're traveling to Negros Oriental, make sure to include this in your bucket list. And salamat sa pagtanaw.